Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to invite friends on 8-ball pool. So let's get started. First, open your 8-ball pool game. Now tap on the team icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen right next to gift icon. At the bottom right of your screen, you'll be able to find invite friends option. Tap on it. And then select the app that you like to send invitation. You can send invite request on Facebook by tapping on invite friends button with Facebook logo. Or you can send your invite request by tapping on add by unique ID option. And this is how you can invite friends on 8-ball pool. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.